Recently, I was thinking about the engine in my WRX, like any other Subaru owner would do. I was thinking, it's summer, it's hot. Is it getting enough cold air? So I went down to Home Depot where all other car enthusiasts go to get the best possible mods for their car, and I picked up this. This is the cheapest possible, easiest to install cold air intake for any car. Let's see how we can install it on our car. For real though, it's just a flexible tube that you use to direct hot air in a house, but provides the same function. It's a tube. I'm gonna run it from the front of the car to right where the pod filter is in the engine bay. So here's the main idea. There are holes left over from the stock intake that leads down to the fender, and my idea is to snake that flexible hose from here all the way inside up to right here. So it provides a nice stream of cold air in right next to the intake. This intake is a Blitz, some sort of intake. It sounds really good. I just don't know if it performs any better than stock, but it sounds good, so I like it. So we'll give it a little bit of a helping hand by giving it an extra cold air intake. Oh, this is embarrassing. Fuck. That was pretty easy. This is literally the only tool I have to take off any bolts. It's a pass-through ratchet. It works just fine. It's just I forgot to bring my tools from work. But this will work just fine. So I think this will work perfectly. It took me less than 10 minutes to just get this routed in the correct way that I wanted it to go. So let me show you. I got this opening as close to the intake as possible. It goes through the fender, routes through under the empty space, and then goes to right here. The only problem that I see is this piece that might get in the way. Since it's not doing anything, we can cut a little bit of it off and we can use it for the intake. From the looks of it, this is the only tool I have to cut anything. It is a hacksaw. It should work just fine, but not the ideal thing because it takes some time to do it, but it'll cut through plastic just fine. So that little hacksaw made really quick work of the plastic pieces that we want to remove. We should be able to get this in really quickly now. Ooh, I think a little bit more cutting is required. Luckily it can be straightened out. So what I really like about this is so stealthy. You really can't see it from anywhere other than you really have to get down in there to see it. And then it provides cool, fresh air into the engine bay right next to the intake. So there you have it. A nice, quick and easy mod to do to your car in the summer, just to get some fresh air into the engine. I don't know if it actually makes any difference or not, but who cares, it was fun to do. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, give me a boost in the algorithm, and have a good one. See you guys.